see yourself through her eyes, a pulsing red cluster. Gnolls see your whole world as a meal. This voice is acting as a leash, but it won't hold them for long. A memory. The beast daubs the symbol buried deep. A strange symbol glows, marked on their flesh, and something within you stirs in response. Sensing your presence, the Gnolls tadpole writhes in ecstasy. Its host will feast on Gnoll flesh to control the something stirs deep.
Hear that? Someone's fighting the Gnolls. We should help.
Don't be a fool, lad. Shut your mouth and keep your head down. Leave the heroics to them that don't value their own skin.
Think you can take me on? Light on my feet. Ha!
A hungry pit. The flesh of her pack wasn't enough to satisfy her. Her tadpole responds, thrashing violently. You taste the blood in her throat, feel it pooling in the cavity of her skull. But she still resists. She resists. She severs the connection and prepares to attack.
In that corpse. You should take...
By the gods, you're a sweet sight. Are any of my crew still alive out there? Damn it.
Risen Road's more dangerous than ever. You're the first friendly face we've seen since Eltergard.
Hold on now. You made short work of the beasts. And I reckon you'd make shorter of me and the boy. But we're not plump little merchants you can boss around. We're Zahenterim. If there are value with it, and we don't, this is the point when a clever lad like you accepts my gratitude and walks away. Fine. No need for more violence. I'll tell my associates everything was lost in the ambush.
The chest's all yours. Damn thing's sealed tighter than a duke's purse strings. So there's no point in trying to open it.
And no hard feelings, you hear? I'd have done the same if I were you. Business at the end of a blade is still business.
Ruthless bastard like you could make a name for yourself in the Zentarim. Make sure to drop by our hideout.
Passphrase at the door is, Little Serpent, Long Shadow. I'll tell my associates to expect you.
I'm done. I can't wait to sleep.
Well, lad, it's our lucky day after all.
I don't feel lucky.
The rest of our crew's half digested, and you're still alive. That's luck.